Hello kids, Princey here. Today I will teach you how to draw a beautiful big flower with rainbow coloring. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First, I am going to draw a big circle like this. Great. Now, I am going to draw our flower petals. Draw with me kids. Now, I am drawing some small petals. It's time to add some detailings. Great! Let's enhance our picture. Great! Our flower is more visible to us now. First I am using light pink color. Let's do rainbow coloring in our petals. First I am using red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Sky blue color. Green color. Purple color. Blue color. For our small petals, I am using bright pink color. Great! Our flower is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.